In this video, I'm going to show you how to host n8n on the cloud for just $5 a month. That's right. This is going to be the easiest, the most affordable, and the most scalable way to host n8n on a cloud service. And the best part is, as your needs grow, you can easily expand the setup to provide more infrastructure without breaking the bank, all thanks to railway.com, which is an awesome platform that makes cloud hosting super simple for n8n. If you're not familiar with these terminologies or the terms or any coding, don't worry about it. I'm going to explain everything step by step. This is going to be a no-code way to host everything on the cloud, so that way you can take n8n wherever you are with the full privacy of your data at your hand. And like I said, you can always expand and provide more infrastructure as your needs grow. If you're new to the channel, my name is Zubair. My YouTube channel and my school community is all about building amazing AI agents and automations using n8n. We have a great classroom section where, regardless of your background, there's lots of material in there for you. So whether you're a complete beginner or you're advanced skills in n8n or your intermediate level, regardless of your background, we have something for everyone in here. We have deep dive topics for like voice agents with 11 labs, vector databases, when to use which AI agent for what purpose, and much more. We have daily calls where you can jump in with me. We have tech support with Alexandra on Tuesdays. We have live build where she will build an entire project from start to finish live, so you can jump in, ask questions. And we have business class, strategy class with Alex on Wednesdays and Fridays. All of this will be recorded. If you miss any of these meetings, don't worry about it. You can access everything from the call recordings here. And of course, our biggest asset is our amazing community members. They're always collaborating on projects. They're always providing new workflows, new ways to use n8n for different purposes. We have business owners, AI agency owners, and much more from all over the world. I'm going to put the link in the description. Make sure you join. I'll hopefully see you inside. All right, let's get back to the video. So the first thing you need to do is you need to head over to railway.app. You're going to head over to the login page and you're going to create an account. Actually, first of all, I'll just quickly talk about pricing here. So there's different pricing plans based on whatever your need is. If you're just using this for personal use, then this hobby plan, which is $5 a month, this is going to be perfectly fine for you because it provides you 8 gigabytes of RAM, and that's plenty if you're just using this for your own project. So that way, the advantage of this is that you don't lose any of your workflows. If you lose your local computer or machine breaks down, whatever, this basically gives you that option to access n8n locally on a third-party server. So if you're using it for your personal use, please go ahead and use this $5 a month, which is the hobby plan. So I'm going to click on sign up for Railway. I haven't done this, so I'm going to do this step by step with you guys. All right, so I'm going to put my email here. Once you do that, click on email. So click this security code copy. I'm going to go to my email here. So now I've received this message. I'm going to click on log into Railway. So this is going to log me in, and I'm going to paste that code right here, the security code. And now we're good to go. So let's go ahead and close this down. I'm going to go back, refresh the page. All right, so now we're good to go here. So make sure you accept the term of services. I'm going to click on agree here. This is going to go ahead and do what it needs to do. I will not deploy any of that related to miners and everything. All right, so once you create your account, you're going to come here to your plans. We're going to go ahead and deploy with hobby. We're going to come here to the bottom, scroll to the bottom. I'm just going to say deploy with hobby. So this is where you'll put your credit card number. I'm going to go ahead and do that. All right, so once you put your credit card number, you're going to click on subscribe to hobby plan, and this will process your $5 payment. And now we're good to go. So all we need to do is now head over to railway.app/templates. And these are all the different templates that are available for different use cases. And actually, if you just go over to the most popular, n8n is the most popular railway app. So all you have to do is just click on most popular, or you can just search for it. And there's several n8n templates, but the best one is this n8n workflow. As you can see, if you just search n8n, all of these different templates will show up. And again, just to be clear, this is not by the n8n team. This is a community run project, but the most popular one is the one that was created by Jack, I believe. Let me go back to most popular. Yeah, this is the one that is the most popular one. And if I click on this, now you can see that, yeah, this is by Jack. And you can see that this has 100% success on recent deploys, and there's a lot of people who are using this. So just a quick thing right here. So this is what's this is going to include. So it's going to include the primary n8n instance that we just talked about earlier as far as this flow right here. So it will include that primary n8n instance. It's going to have the worker n8n. It's going to have Redis, and it's going to have Postgres as well. And again, if you want to find more information, please feel free to do some research on this. But anyways, what we're going to do is now leave everything as it is. We're just going to click on deploy now. And once you click on deploy now, this will give you the option to configure these different options. But we're not going to worry about that. We're just going to deploy all these 4 services. So all you have to do is click on deploy. Now you're going to let this deploy properly. This is going to take a few seconds to get deployed. As you can see right now, Postgres got deployed, Redis got deployed, and then these 2 are currently deploying. So you're just going to let that process, and then afterwards we can go ahead and complete the next step. So I'm going to give this a few seconds for this to get processed. Just refresh the page because we want to make sure that everything is properly deployed, and I think we're good to go. So now what you're going to do is you're going to come and click on the primary here, and once you do, you will see here that this is active. So in order to access our n8n now, all we have to do is head over to the setting. If we click on setting, this will be all of the different information that's available for this particular primary n8n instance. If you have a custom domain that you would like to deploy this on, you can come here and click on custom domain and add a domain, and then you will also add a port. If you would like to provide a custom port, you can do that, but I'm not going to use a custom domain. I'm just going to utilize this URL right here. So now all you have to do is just copy this, head over to your new tab, paste it, and now you have an instance of n8n that's ready and deployed on your server and Railway, where you can have access to this from anywhere you want. So go ahead and create a username and password. So let me go ahead and do that quickly. Password. All right, click next. And now essentially I have the same. I'm gonna go ahead and skip this. So now I have access to my n8n on that's running in this URL. And again, if you want to run that on a different domain, make sure you go ahead and change that custom domain. All right, hopefully you found that helpful. Make sure you subscribe and like the video because I've got some amazing tutorials that are upcoming. And then also, like I said, if you're serious about learning how to use n8n to make money, or if you're just a beginner using automation for personal or business purposes, make sure you join the school community because that's the best way to learn n8n and update your skills. I'm going to put the link in the description. I'll hopefully see you on the side. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you on the next one.